Hi, I'm Eloise and thanks for your interest in our online cake tutorials. These tutorials are super easy to follow and will provide you with the skills and confidence you need to create amazing, professional looking cakes all from the comfort of your own home. I'm sure some of you have been to cake classes at our shop before, but I know there's even more of you who haven't been able to because of your location or maybe your schedule. So these videos offer a great alternative. Each tutorial will focus on a particular skill set or cake project, and they're all designed to teach different things if you fancy doing more than one. There's lots of other advantages to online courses too. You can save on travel time, fit your learning around your work schedule, and do so at your own pace because you can pause me whenever you like. Now, we've all got frustrated with certain video sites, the bad camera angles, the poor quality footage, no close-up, and of course the old, hold on, I'm doing that, so why doesn't mine look the same? These TV quality tutorials are designed to be different. Each one will take you step by step through every process, making them ideal for bakers of all levels, and some are even great to do with your kids too. You'll be able to see the equipment list required for each video, and you can also watch taster clips to help choose the right one for you. Unlike some websites where you have to subscribe and you're locked into a long-term commitment for a bunch of videos you don't want or need, here you can make informed decisions and choose exactly what you want to learn on your terms. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll let you go and check them all out for yourself, and I hope we'll be baking together soon.